What's up everybody, it's your boy Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy and welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. Today we got ourselves Decathalon Hiking Boots and you can see इनके हाल काफी बुरे हैं.
Big dreams, big moves. I was made for this. Small kids, small town. Never changed a bit. Long roads, cold nights. I had to pray for this.
All kind of dust, mud, मैल is on these shoes. You can see कि ये काफी जगहों से फट भी चुका है because of all that hard work these shoes have been taking in. अब हम कोशिश ये करेंगे कि इन shoes को वापस से साफ करें. So as you can see, as it is written as well, these are waterproof shoes. Plus इन पे काफी जगहों पे suede material भी है from the side, next to the ankle. And little bit at the front as well, but ये काफी ज़्यादा destroy भी हो चुका है. जो stains हैं वो grease भी है, dust भी है, and also the bottoms they look dirty as well. But we don't have to worry because we have our ultimate kit ready to rock. Also, since it has some suede part, we will be using our suede care kit and we will be using our shape it so that we have a firm surface and apply the pressure easily. We're going to keep the right shoe for the comparison later and we'll be working on this left beauty. Let's remove the laces first. Now we will take the shape it and then we will press it. It's pretty hard from here. Before we begin, we would dry brush the shoe so that we can get rid of all the loose dust. Now it's time to prepare our solution. 200 ml पानी डालना है अपने बाउल में and then we will use the sugar clean. 3 squirts. We will be using the soft brush only. Dip it in the solution. So like always, we're gonna go from uppers to the midsoles and to the outsoles. So let's get it on with the uppers. I think इसका जो front है that is not actually suede, it is some other heavy leather material and let's try to put more pressure with the soft brush. अगर ये नहीं होगा then we will be using our medium brush on this as well. So yeah, I think जो front है that is like a leather and rubbery, more like a rubbery part. So we will be able to use the medium brush on this because soft brush is not breaking the dirt as we can see. So I would apply a medium brush on this because since it's rubber, it won't damage it. So we take the medium brush, dip it. And now we will be moving towards the midsoles. इसमें भी काफी मिट्टी है and same way so we will dip the medium brush and get started. The orange is coming back to life as well. So काफी इसमें ऐसे कुछ hard stains हैं which are caused due to aggressive walking. So I would use a brush as well and as well I will use a towel to clean these small little stains. Let's do another round on the midsoles with the medium brush so that you make sure there is no gund left. Now it's time to work on the outsoles. So outsoles के लिए we would straight away go for the hard brush. You can see अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आउटसोल्स में गंदगी है. So इस पे 2-3 बारी हमें हार्ड ब्रश को रगड़ना पड़ेगा. The outsoles look pretty neat. So as you can see, the shoe is ready. There is some suede material that we will be working on as well. But before that, I would want the shoe to get little dry. अगर मैं suede के wet shoe पे लगाऊंगा it might just destroy and bleed the color as well. So we would let it stay for a while and let it dry.
A few moments later.
We are back and the shoe is dried enough, and I had to keep it for a day because इसमें काफी कपड़ा and suede mix material था, and I'm not sure इसमें ये कैसा suede है, but we are going to use our suede kit and see. So for this, you know, we got our ProSuede kit. We'll open this. It comes with a suede eraser and a suede brush. So with this, we will clean all the marks and bring the nap back. And this brush would be used to clean up all the dust, and also it helps you regain the nap as well. So let's get it on with the suede kit. I can see the nap is coming back. Now let's start the other side. Work on the tongue. You can see there is a lot of suede over here, और थोड़ा damaged है और थोड़ा गंदा भी है. But we would use the suede eraser to get rid of all the dust and the gandagi. Looking nice and decent. You can see the suede is also has come back to life. It's all smoothen up. Now we would use the laces. Bowl और इन laces को हम इसके अंदर dip करेंगे. Dip it nicely so that it's covered with the solution from everywhere, and we would also rinse it. There you go, guys. Looks pretty neat, pretty nice, pretty clean. कितनी गंदगी निकली है इसके अंदर से. There was all different kind of particles over here. The shoe is done. The laces are done. We are ready. The shoe is looking perfect. It's looking amazing. It's very nicely cleaned up. It is ready for more treks, more hikes, all that mountain climbing, and some nice bike rides as well. And I'll show you how it was. Let's compare it. You can see the difference. This is how it was before, and this is how it is now. So there you go, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much I have enjoyed cleaning this boot. And if you have any questions regarding any shoe, and if you want us to clean up a specific shoe, you can always comment and DM us on Instagram. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do not forget to love your shoes, and let's go.